Oh, that was weird. I wonder why it didn't follow us across the bridge, right?
Whatever it was.
Yeah. Whatever the heck that son of a gun was. Huh, cool.
What?
A rock.
Huh.
I'm getting this one. Phone hasn't gone off yet. Which is good.
Be at 7:30.
7:30 already?
Almost.
How the hell did we take us half an hour to get from one spot to
Hey,
place to the other?
we're out of here.
Good. Next time, take entrance number 2.
Yeah, that's infested with some beast.
Yeah. Hey, there's a good view over that way.
Here you go. And it's only got about 13 minutes left.
And yeah, there's all the traffic, which is good.
Oblivious to what's happening down there.
Definitely.
Whoa!
Whoa! You almost hit my nuts! That was really freaky what was in there. What was it? I don't know. Wait. Okay, there's a good view of the... That was not me.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, there's another one of those... Oh wait, no, it's a parking lot. You might be able to see what that was from this year. Wait, no, it isn't a house.
So what do you think of Super Beaverhausen Brothers' cousin Eddie?
That's good. Yo, that isn't a house.
No.
It's like a abandoned house.
No, it's another one of those power stations.
Huh. Okay, let's see. Think we might be able to get the dinosaur thingy from here?
The what?
What was chasing us?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whatever it was, it's gone now.
Yeah. Damn! Man, did that scare the hell out of us.
Super Mario?
Yeah. Yo, check to see if there's a geocache here.
There is. There's a 6th part in here.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's over there someplace. Should we tell them what we're doing?
Nah.
Let them figure it out. Yeah, and tomorrow I'm going to go to Flamborough Speedway where they're having stock car racing, like race cars. Yeah. Past 2 weeks I tried, got rained out. Every time I didn't go, it was flipping sunny, including last week. Man! Nice bike, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, you had to save some time because there's like, what, half an hour left on it?
10 minutes.
I meant before all this filming.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's like half an hour before this whole filming thing, and now we got like 10 minutes. We're just past Applebee's, so I'm pretty close to my apartment right now. Which is good, because then I get to get some sleep, wake up, have breakfast.
Get some more sleep.
No, after breakfast, get the stuff for the Flamborough race. 6-pack of pop.
Stay in frame.
Yeah. Ah! Oh yeah, this is for a ping pong champ. You're gonna get it. Woo! Oh, I just need more.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that house. Woo! I'd love to live there. Yeah, some people are nuts. They buy cheap ass houses just so they can get good cars. But this is a nice house with a nice car. Oh man, it looks like a campsite behind though. And as you can see, our recording guy is walking backwards. again. GMC. Oh boy. Don't tell me there's another dinosaur down there. Yo, check to see if there's a dinosaur. Nope. Looks like it. Wait. The only place that would really be a good place would be on that side of the friggin' park. And I mean that side. Minus the cars. I hear a waterfall. He's at the drumming again. Drop it. Okay, that's a weird place for a manhole to be. Look at it. Ha! Okay, now I definitely feel like I'm at Sanford Wood. Now that's a good place for me to film. Because that's full of wood.
That's one of the areas that I plan to walk to with you this summer.
Nice. Let's walk through the whole Tansy Woods. Because you know where you'll end up?
What?
Right near a couple of train tracks, but there's a fence.
Huh.
But man, there's some freaky stuff that's been going on there.
What?
Easy. One of them, someone said there was a big animal like this big. It looks like a freaking mutant animal.
Well, perhaps we should try and find that.
I already checked. There's just a boot in a bush. There was a dead raccoon a few times when I was little. I just looked at it and went, raccoon. And they have a whole bunch of frogs there that we can catch. Without getting cracked on.
Sometime in Oakville, I got to take you after my grandparents to, on 6th Line, what my grandfather used to refer to as the crick.
Yeah, some place we should try if my mom gives me enough money. Fire Hall. That place makes a good Canadian burger. 6 ounces of hamburger, and a whole shitload of other stuff. Yeah.
Now
I wonder what I'm having for supper tonight. Are you having?
I don't know.
Hey.
My mom might make a whole whack of pasta.
Damn! Yeah, echo. Man. Ugh. I hate when you do that. Makes me always jump out of my nut.
Yeah.
Well, we're at my apartment. Voila. Yeah, there's the garage. Maximum clearance is 5'11", which he's just over. You're like what, 6 foot?
I can't go through that door.
No, actually you can.
I'm actually 5'11".
Okay, so you just barely fit. Yeah, he knocked one of those exit signs down already. Well, just watched it. Another vehicle knocked it over. I live all the way up on the 8th floor, which is 3 down from the top. The one under the 3rd one's mine. Pretty nice place. And okay, there's a car going in the garage. Here's the pond, or the
Fountain?
yeah, fountain. This is where I first saw my uncle's 1980 Corvette Stingray. Nice paint job and everything. Oh, looks like the pool's open.
It does, doesn't it?
Yep. Only to find out. There's wiring hoses. Oh!
That means it is open then.
That's the pool. Elizabeth.
Next week, brother?
Possibly. Now I'm just going to go into my apartment. Oh yeah, Elizabeth's apartment's right there.
Dun dun dun.
You got that right.